Hey, what's up? This is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play I Don't Wanna Die right now on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So to play this song, you'll be in standard tuning with no capo. You're going to want to put your pointer finger on the 3rd fret of the A string and your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. And just pluck those two back and forth. And then you're just going to move your pointer finger down to the 3rd fret of the E string after you do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then pick everything up and put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string and pluck open E down here. And then it's a little hammer-on pull-off thing here, like that. Just repeat it. Pointer finger on the 3rd fret, ring finger, or I guess you could do middle finger. It might be easier. Pointer finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, middle finger, 3rd fret of the B string. 4 times like that, and then pointer finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and then when you go down to the E, 1, 2, 3, 4.